Ever feel like your internal engine is just completely stalling out? You know, that crushing weight making every single day feel like wading through concrete? What if I told you that sluggish feeling could be obliterated by something as simple as a steaming cup of tea? No complicated regimens, no expensive fads. Today, we're cracking open nature's own revitalizer. Are you ready to flush out that fog and unleash some insane energy? This unbelievable ginger tea recipe isn't just a comforting drink. It's a simple hack to help your body's detoxification processes, refreshing your system from the inside out. Stick with me, because you're about to discover how a few basic ingredients can make a huge difference every single day. Let's be real, modern life is relentless on our bodies. Processed foods, pollution, mega stress take a toll. That dreading feeling, brain fog, bloating, signals that it's dealing with junk it doesn't need. Think of your body like a super efficient machine. For it to run smoothly, its internal pathways need to be crystal clear. And that's where our star player comes in, ginger. This humble root isn't just for spicing up your meals. It's packed with compounds that can gently, but effectively help your body get back on track. Imagine feeling lighter, clearer, and more awake. So what's the big deal with ginger? Loaded with gingerols and shogols, it's famous for soothing digestion, calming inflammation, and boosting the immune system. Plus, it's full of antioxidants, helping shield your cells and support your overall health. From soothing your gut to strengthening your defenses, ginger truly is a natural wonder. All right, let's make this amazing detoxifying ginger tea. You'll need fresh ginger root, water, fresh lemon juice, optional, raw honey or maple syrup, optional, a pinch of turmeric, optional, and a pinch of cayenne pepper or a cinnamon stick, optional. Prepare the ginger, wash and slice or grate it. Combine with water, bring to a boil, then simmer. Strain, add extras, and enjoy. And there you have it, your cup of revitalizing, detoxifying ginger tea. Sip it slowly while it's warm. Experiment and see what works best for you. Ready to detox and boost your well-being with this incredible tea? Give it a try. Drop a comment and let me know how you liked it.